Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, power door locks, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.